Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Goalkeeping, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. It's a fresh Monday morning and the team are currently at Kumasi after their 3 weeks preseason at Koforidua. Today we'll be talking about the preseason, reviewing it and talking about some interesting stats and interesting things we noticed in the preseason. So without wasting much time, let's get into it. First of all, Asante Kotoko scored 8 goals in 3 games in the preseason. I know you say it's a lower side, but it's actually impressive. Apart from the 2-2 draw, the first game they played or Due Anuma FC, I think that game ended. The first game ended 3-0, second one ended 2-2, and the last one against Mighty Jets ended in a 3-0 win as well, just like the first one. So today we'll be looking at the impressive stats in this preseason. First of all, Asante Kotoko scored 8 goals. I already said that, and Osman Ibrahim scored 1 goal. Naby Keita scored 2 goals. Kwame Opoku scored 1. Edom Frimpong scored 2 goals. Emmanuel Jimfi scored 1, and Augustine Okra scored 1. Then the assists: Okra, Asma, Aimoro Ibrahim, Osman Ibrahim, Naby Keita were all involved in the assists. Naby Keita and Augustine Okra have been involved in 5 of Asante Kotoko's preseason goals. Naby Keita 2 goals, 1 assist. Augustine Okra 1 goal, 1 assist. Now we'll talk about the goalkeeping. Now this is the most important part I want you guys to focus on, and not most important, it's actually an important part I want you guys to focus on. In the preseason, Felix Annan didn't concede a single goal in the preseason despite playing the highest number of minutes. He didn't concede 1 goal, and a lot of people on social media, especially on Twitter, applauding him for his performance against Mighty Jets because he was extraordinary against Mighty Jets. He played 135 minutes and conceded no goals, 0 goals. Now the other keepers, Kwame Ba played 90 minutes and conceded 1 goal. Razak Abalora, the new goalkeeper, played 45 minutes, conceded 1 goal, and that goal, the 2 goals Kwame Ba and Razak Abalora conceded was against Mighty Jets, the second preseason games. Now the team played very well in the preseason, and you can see that Naby Keita is showing you that he's still reliable and is still the best penalty taker at Asante Kotoko, and that is why he's still on penalty duty in the preseason. So he's going to come handy when the season resumes. Now Patrick Osman, the new right back, he's shown us that he can cross the ball, he can assist, and he can make some attacking run in a crucial moment and help the attack whenever needed. Now Edom Frimpong in midfield, he has shown that he has a lot of things to offer to Asante Kotoko, and Maxi Konedu will be looking to use him this season. He scored how many goals? He scored 2 goals in the preseason, which shows that he is in a very good shape and is ready to play for Asante Kotoko this season. Now we talk about the goalkeeper. I already say that Felix Annan put out impressive performance. He was the best goalkeeper in the preseason. Then we'll go over to the attacking front. The only striker that struggled to score or struggled to perform in preseason was William Opoku. He struggled a lot. Osman Ibrahim scored and gave an assist. William Opoku scored 1 goal, but William Opoku struggled a lot. Richard Arthur is not in the preseason squad. I know you are asking about that. He's not in the preseason squad, and I don't think he'll be in the squad for the season, this Ghana Premier League season. I heard that Asante Kotoko are still trying to cancel his contract because he is not part of Maxwell Konedu's plan. Overall, the preseason was good. It was very, very good. I feel that Asante Kotoko are somehow ready for the season. They need a lot of work, and I think they will get better as the league starts, and each game will give them experience for the next two. But I hope they start the season in a very convincing, commanding, and in a very extraordinary manner to make the next opponents fear the entire team and make things more smooth for Maxwell Konedu and of course for Kotoko fans. So I would like to know your thoughts on the preseason. If these are my thoughts, I would like to know your thoughts. Which player impressed you the most in the preseason? I'd like to know, and I would like you guys to put it down in the comment section and tell me which player you think will step up this season. Players to watch as Asante Kotoko. I think I'll make a video for that. Players to watch this season as Asante Kotoko. So that's it for today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Please subscribe right now and hit the notification bell. My name remains Clinton Little. Till next time, guys. Peace out.